Se esta noche eu sou eu abro-me para wedding eu Steve como any other you ama this on the shares of prior cool page when he Enti MPAEBƆ Wasam Shire Okasiana Wenya Doye Yiwama Software Jiwo Enti Alright guys, so today I'm doing a song by OJ, Minister OJ, from MPAEBƆ. Yeah, so before I do that, if you have not subscribed, just click on the subscribe button and comment, share, like. Thank you very much. Okay, so this song is very simple. Intro and everything is progression is very simple. So this is how it goes. The intro goes like 3 A, B flat, C, right? B flat, then you do your 2 G, then 6 A, D. Sorry. So mi fa so fa re la. Right? I'll mix with the tonic solfa so that mi fa so mi fa so. So after you play your so, then you play your chord 2, right? Right, D minor, G minor. So mi fa so fa re la, right? And fa mi re do mi fa re. After you play fa mi re do mi fa re, right? So fa mi re do mi. The mi will land on your chord 1 and on your left on your 5. Mi fa, then re, chord 5, right? So mi fa re, right? So mi fa so fa re la, fa mi re do mi fa re. Very simple. Again, let's try it. 1, 2, go. Mi fa so fa re la. Let's continue. So do re mi re do ti la si la. Right? So do re mi 1 re do ti. T chord 3, which is your A minor. So then you 6. You get it? Again. Let's continue. So do re mi fa re, right? Do re mi fa re. Then on your left is 4. If you're on B flat 4. Do re mi fa re. Then 5. Do re ti do la so fa ti do. Very simple. Do re ti do la so fa ti do. Then you run the major scale backwards, like ti la so fa mi re do. Very simple. So do re mi fa re. Do re ti do la so fa ti do. Ti la so fa mi re do. Right. So let's start from the beginning and continue. So let's start. We'll call 2. 5. 1. 7. 6. You will come 4. 5. 1. 7. 6. You can go to 4 or 2. So page when change 5 1 4 again 2 5 2 5 1 or 4 1 empty 6 3 4 come to 2 then 5 you can go to 4 right 3 2 so note in MPAEBØ you can go to 6 3 and then you can go to 4 or 2 right, so there are 3 options or 2. So first of all, the MPAEBØ you can go to 3 or MPAEBØ or MPAEBØ can be on 4 MPAEBØ 3 then 2 right. Okay, so let's continue. 4 very simple. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe, you share, comment, you like. Thank you. Bye.